Make money with Instagram in 2022. Instagram has become one of the most popular social media platforms in recent years. It's worth billions. But how can you make money by posting on Instagram? Well, in this week's videos we'll tell you how. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, as every week we bring you great videos on how to make money and give you the life you want. So if you are wondering how to make money on Instagram as a beginner, we'll show you how to get started with some great side hustle. We'll be covering: what is Instagram and how does it work? Grow your Instagram account. How to make money as a beginner. Affiliate marketing. Sponsored posts. Shoutouts. Sell a product. Offer your services. How to monetize your Instagram account. So what is Instagram and how does it work? Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms in recent years. In 2021, it had over 1 billion monthly users, and each day more than 95 million photos and videos are shared through this app. It's mainly used by young people, mostly between the ages of 18 and 30 years old. Instagram is essential in any marketing strategy. Influencers and companies can use it to promote their products, increase brand awareness, or just to connect with fans. You can build your brand on Instagram, too. All you need is a little bit of patience. How to grow your Instagram account. First, you need to have an audience to sell to. If you're not there already, create a profile and start posting content. Before you can monetize your Instagram, you will need to grow your followers. You can start monetizing by having as little as 1,000 followers. However, it is widely considered better to have at least 10,000 followers if you want to make good money with Instagram. So, how can you get there? Growing your account is just simply about building a community of like-minded people. This is why having a niche is very important. The more focused your account, the easier it will be for your target audience to find you, and they will be more likely to follow your account. Here are some tips for increasing followers fast. Post great content. Give users a reason to invite you to their feed. Use Canva to edit your images and even to create videos. Engage. Follow similar accounts in your niche. Like and comment on other users. In your profile's bio section, include a link to your website or blog. Use relevant hashtags. This is how your audience can find you. Using a consistent style and theme in all of your photos helps grow an audience faster as well. Instagram is all about the visuals, so make your account look appealing. Post consistently. You should post daily if you want to maximize your chances of being found. How to make money on Instagram as a beginner. There are many popular methods for making money on Instagram. You can make a lot of money with Instagram, and none of these methods require you to be super tech savvy or an expert in marketing. Affiliate marketing. Sign up for an affiliate marketing program of your choice and start promoting products relevant to your niche. Choose a program that has decent conversion rates so you get paid when users purchase the products you promote. The best thing about monetizing with affiliate marketing is that you don't need to put any effort into product creation or sell your time. You are simply promoting something that has already been created. Choose affiliate programs that match your brand. Don't try to sell your audience anything and everything. Make sure the quality of the product you are recommending is high. You can place an affiliate link in your bio, or inside your stories. Sponsored posts. When you have 10,000 engaged followers, you can start approaching brands for sponsored post opportunities. Or they might even come to you. Monetizing with sponsored posts works similarly to affiliate marketing. You are promoting a product or brand, and you will get paid for doing so. However, a sponsored post typically has a fixed price, which means you will get paid by the brand just for posting a picture, video or story featuring the sponsored product. Some influencers are making 6 and 7 figures with just sponsored posts. One thing you need to consider though is that you need quite a big following to start monetizing this way, and it can take time to reach out to different brands before you get an opportunity. Shoutouts. This is a popular way to make money on Instagram, and a great monetization method for all different niches. A shoutout means you are promoting another user's account in your feed or story, and you charge them for it. This can be a fairly cheap way to grow your audience, so users often look for bigger accounts in their niche to get a shoutout from them. The great thing about this way of monetizing is that it's really easy to start. Just add a line in your bio, DM for shoutouts, and decide what rate you want to charge. The drawback is that unless you are huge on Instagram, this type of income can be sketchy. Sell a product. This is by far the most profitable and popular way of monetizing your Instagram account. To do this, you need to create a product and sell it. It might sound extremely complicated and time-consuming. It's not. All you need to do is think about your skills. What can you do well? What do you do for a living? What are your hobbies and passions? What can you teach others how to do? What are the problem points in your niche? If you go through these questions, you can find a skill or specific knowledge you have that can be packaged up as a product. Then all you have to do is promote it to your followers. This can be extremely profitable if done successfully. You'll need to spend some time on your product at the start. However, once it's launched, it becomes pretty much passive income. Some people make the mistake of launching a product before they warm up their audience. You want to first grow your audience and build trust with them before trying to sell something to them. Create visual content for sale. It's no secret that Instagram is a visual platform. People upload 100 million plus photos and videos daily. However, it's not enough for brands to upload overly polished professional photos of their product to stand out from the crowd. Modern customers crave authenticity, so they pay close attention to user-generated content. Most consumers believe that user-generated content is 35% more memorable than other media, so businesses of all sizes want to publish content created by their customers. So, it's your opportunity to sell photos and videos you create. When it comes to the travel industry, companies of all sizes invite real travelers to take photos showcasing their experiences while staying at brand properties in exchange for free accommodation and payment. Publishing user-generated content in the travel industry gives great results. For example, a small town in New Zealand, Wanaka, achieved a 14% increase in tourism after working with Instagram influencers who shared the images of the city on their profiles. However, I don't recommend this approach unless you have a huge following. There's nothing more annoying to hotel owners than a fake influencer asking for a free stay. Offer your services. If you have a background or skill that is relevant to your niche, offer your services to others who share the same interests and needs. If you are a graphic designer and have an Instagram page in the same niche, consider offering your graphic design services. Make it clear in your bio that you are up for hire. Whatever your niche, if you've successfully managed to grow your Instagram account, there will be a lot of people interested to know how you did that. You can offer your one-to-one coaching services where you provide the strategies that worked for you. This is just one example of popular services, but there are many other different skills you could sell on Instagram. Write captions for businesses. The days when only big brands could afford Instagram marketing are far behind us. Today, brands of all sizes want to use this platform to promote their products and services, and 92% of small businesses plan to invest more time and effort in social media marketing. While big brands have a great in-house content creation staff, entrepreneurs often seek out freelance talent to reduce social media marketing costs. So, they often want to find creative specialists who write captions for their businesses at a low cost. To get a full-time job offer, you need to prove that your application stands out from the crowd, and the best way to do it is to show your social media marketing writing portfolio. You'll need to run your Instagram page creatively so that interested employers can see examples of captions you write. The more creative and engaging your captions are, the more potential clients you can hook. All you need is a determination to grow your audience. With the right Instagram strategies, you can start making money on Instagram very quickly. We hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to make a comment below. See you next week.